In this video we're going to look at the support menu. So this is District 1 support menu. And your support menu probably, or it should, look something like this, with only typically one option, which is the key press test. It is possible that you may have this is my sample District 26, and if there is a problem with Bridgescore Plus, then somebody from Bridgescore Plus support will reconfigure your server, so it will now display this support menu. If ever you see these support functions, these are not designed for use by you. They're only designed for use with Bridgescore Plus support staff. And I am mentioning them because if they do pop up, you'll be curious. And it's also useful for knowing that there are other ways of solving problems. So in this case, the reason for all these support tools is each of these corresponds with a table in the database. So I'll give you an example under the tournament. So this particular version district, my District 26, I have my infamous Atlantis tournament, but I also have the results from another tournament, which is a Gatlinburg tournament. And let's say for whatever reason there was a bug in the software that meant that I was unable to change the sanction number. Obviously I could change it from edit this tournament and change it there, but let's say that there was a bug in that screen. So these support tools allow a way of the support staff of interacting more directly with the database. It's not something you should ever do, simply because some of these fields, an example here is it's a numeric field, and you may not know exactly what those different fields are. Sometimes they are provided, sometimes they are not. So in this case, it gives me the ability of being able to change fields in the database. So it's primarily used if there are bugs in the main version. It's not something, I'll be honest, it's not something I think I've ever really used in a production environment, but it does give the ability because it does allow for this workaround. So main reasons for showing it to you is if ever you see this full set of menus, items, and wonder what they are for Bridgescore Plus support staff. They are not for you to mess around with. But it's nice to know that that functionality exists so that there are different ways of solving any support problems that may occur.